Exposure to pathogens in any indoor space is difficult to avoid. Air filtration, open windows, and ventilation systems spread contamination throughout rooms and do not capture or eliminate pathogens in the open air. The value of indoor air quality is more important today than ever before. Located in the rooms, Ultimatum Airborne Mitigation Systems fill rooms with ions, which neutralize and kill all pathogens continuously throughout the entire area. Ultimatum is simple to use. Just turn it on and enjoy a safe, protected, clean environment. Third-party testing proves that with the patented Needlepoint Bipolar Ionization Technology, the SARS CoV-2 COVID-19 virus is killed at a 99.8% rate of reduction, as well as other pathogens, bacteria, mold, VOCs, odors, and particles. When an infected individual releases pathogens, our positive and negative ions are already deployed in the entire room, actively killing pathogens and neutralizing contaminants before they infect you. Be safer, breathe easier with Ultimatum.